In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view estimated mortgage payments on Zillow desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to type in, and how to read the numbers so you can confidently estimate what a home might cost you each month. Start by opening your desktop browser and heading to Zillow.com. Using a desktop makes the layout predictable and gives you more room to see the full breakdown. Once you're on the home page, look at the top menu and hover over or click Get a Mortgage. From the drop-down, choose Estimate Your Mortgage Payment. If you prefer, you can also go straight to Zillow's mortgage calculator by searching for it directly, but the menu path is the quickest way from the home page. On the calculator, you'll see fields to enter your details. Type in the home price you're considering. Enter your down payment as either a dollar amount or a percentage. The loan term is typically 30 years, but you can switch to 15 years or another option if that's your plan. Add your zip code so the tool can estimate location-based costs like property taxes and insurance, which vary widely by area. Finally, enter an interest rate. If you don't have a quote yet, you can use a current market estimate. Just remember, this is a placeholder, and small changes in rate can noticeably affect the payment. As you update each field, the calculator will show your estimated monthly mortgage payment. This includes the principal and interest, the core part of the loan, plus estimated amounts for property taxes, homeowner's insurance, private mortgage insurance if your down payment is below 20%, and any homeowners association fees if they apply. If you don't expect an HOA, set that field to 0 so it doesn't inflate your total. Take a moment to review the breakdown. This is where the tool shines, because you can see how each component contributes to the total. Try adjusting the down payment to see how it influences principal, interest, and PMI. Change the loan term to understand the trade-off between a lower monthly payment and higher total interest over time. You can also tweak the interest rate to compare scenarios, especially if you're evaluating rate quotes. Keep in mind, these numbers are estimates. Actual taxes, insurance, and rates come from your lender, your insurer, and your local tax authority. Use this as a planning guide, not a final offer. When you're comfortable with the estimate, you're ready to take the next step with a lender for a formal pre-approval. That's it. Simple, clear, and powerful for budgeting your home search.